I want us to see how do we make these views. How do we make these views? So, class, I want you to pay attention. I don't want any mistake whenever you're drawing. Okay, I'll follow exactly the way I want you to do the work. So, this is your page. Okay? You have your details there. Eh? You are drawing now. So this is the angle projection. So it means our front view will be either on top or bottom. Which one? This is third angle projection.
Yes, sir.
The front view, will it be on top or at the bottom? We are talking of third angle projection according to South African style. The bottom, ne? So what you do is you draw a faint line, very faint line. Give yourself space from this line. From this line. Certain amount. Then you measure the height from there to the top there. This height, let's say h. Measure the full height. Come to remember this blue ink I'm using, it's faint lines. Measure the height h. Draw faint line. Okay? Then go on top. Hey, when you pass next, pass there because you are in the system there. So they will be seeing you everywhere. Okay, so from there to there, it is the height of your drawing. Then now, I want to draw the height of the top view, which is this, I'll call it L. So this, from there to there, is your height, H. Now I want L. So you need to measure the distance from there to there. Go on top, mark down, and draw a line. Then measure coming down, L. From there, come down, L. L. Then draw a line. What am I trying to do? I'm trying to create proper layout because you lose marks for poor layout. So the size you measure here and the size you measure here must be the same. Now, I want to go the sideways. Please, I didn't put a cross here. Okay. So you measure from there to there. You give yourself at least the minimum size. Draw a line up to there. Very faint, very faint. Don't use eraser. Eraser must be your most greatest enemy. Okay. You hear, my friend? Yeah. So, look here. Front view, we said front view will be on the left all the time. So come here, measure the length, I'll call it X. From there to there, X. Come, measure X. Draw. From there to there is what? X. Then the length you have here from there to there, come this side, mark. This one, let me say the length from there to there is Z. Come this side, measure from there to there, Z. Remember, this is the edge of your paper. Then draw a line. Okay? Any question?
Yes, sir. The thickness of the Z and the thickness of the horizontal line, are they the same?
No, remember, when I'm measuring here, the distance, I'll call it what?
Q.
Q, as you want. So even here, from there to there is what?
Q.
Q. They are not the same. Because the drawing will determine, the size of the drawing will determine that. If the drawing is smaller, you can make them the same. But I would advise you, play with the measurements of your drawing. Then now I'll measure. Oh, sorry, L is this length, L, not this smaller one. I'll measure L now, L. I'll come here, measure L. Once you do this, you have planned for your drawing. Nobody's gonna say your drawing will be maybe one side bigger, the other side smaller. No. Because everything will be within this. So here it will be the front view. Here the top view. Here is the right view.
Voila.
That is the demarcating system. Now, let me continue the drawing. I want now to draw the front view. To finish it here. Okay? You measure the height from there to there and from there to there. There are two heights that are different from the rest. So, you measure the height. Please avoid now starting measuring from the edge because you have got the boundary lines of the drawing. Measure from inside. From there to there. Draw a line, continue up to there. Then if from there to there, draw a line continuous up to there. Okay? I've drawn this line and this line, which is this one and this one. This line and this line. I need this line and that line. Because they will be there. So, the other one is a little bit lower. The other one a little bit higher. I've drawn all the lines in horizontal. Now I want the vertical lines. I need this one and this one. This drilled hole, it goes all the way. So I'll measure from there to there. I'll draw a line straight from the top. From there to there because it's equal size, straight from the top. Now let me outline for the front view. Remember, the more you draw lines, the more you start getting confused, okay? Yes. So now I need to outline. That one. Ne? Comes to this one. The edge one is fine. The boundary one is fine. I can paint so that you can see because I know that even if I draw like this, you will not see. Okay, like that. Oh. This side it goes all the way. Then I've drawn this face. This face. Can you see? Which is this one. Then that face here. It's so this line continues going up. It's this face, ne? Which is this one. Then this one is here. Remember, blue line is the faint line. Are we together? Even you can stand up. It's okay. For now, stand up. Please stand up and shake a little bit. Hey, rules of the game, winner. Stand up, shake. Stand up. Okay. Good. Now, yeah, you can stand. It's okay. So now, are we fine? No, is that? Are we fine with the front view? What is missing?
Front view is at the bottom.
This is missing, eh? Yes. So, because when you are looking here, You can't see this. You need to show hidden lines. Let us assume it's going all the way.
Yes, sir.
So, hidden lines is dashed lines. Those, who is writing mechanical? The same story you're having here, it's in all drawings. General, pictorial, mechanical, and the rest. Eh? Okay, so if it was round, we could have shown the center line, but it's not, it's flat. So we leave it like that. So that is your front view. Now we need to get the top view. We need to get the top view. So either you can start with the top view or you can start with the right view, but at the end, these two views must be able to give you the missing view. Okay?
Go right. Dropbox.
Why is it hidden?
Because
Because you can see it from
no, you can't see.
Sir,
Front and
no,
back.
right now.
Throughout.
I'm not saying throughout. Here, I can see the
No.
That's the
the
left view.
rectangle.
Okay. Please see. Just a minute. Whose food is this? Okay.
Mosa.
You are looking this. It is tilted. Now they say look at it straight. Can you see what is here? That is what it is. So if you take this component, you look at it straight, not at an angle. You are looking at it straight. Whatever is here going in, you can't see because your edge here is represented by a line. So this edge is what you see. Anything after that is flat, you can't see. It's on the edge. Okay, so don't look at it at a tilted position the way it is. Assume you are looking at it 90 degrees. 90 degrees from the front surface. Then when you're looking from this side, also turn it, look at it straight 90 degrees. These other sides, you will not be able to see them unless they are tilted. Yes. Is that fine? Yes. So, now we need the top view. The top view, what do we have? We have got this line, which is the same line as that, and that line. Then the bottom one. So, I've got this first line, you measure, draw. Then you measure also the other one, draw. Then you have got this one, the hidden one. There is this edge and this edge. So you draw. My hand is what? Free.
So free.
Let's do that. Okay? So I need to outline the top view. This face here. It is where? It is here. So the boundary is the same size, ne? The boundary is complete. It's not chopped to the bottom. Then we have got this small face here, going all the way to there. Not this one, sorry. We have got this one, all the way to there. Okay? Then so this line I've drawn is this line. It is representing this space. The whole edge is this single line. Then this line is representing this edge. You see this edge. This one. Like this, but on the opposite. Then this one will be represented by this side. Okay? Then this back face there will be represented by a single line, this one. Okay? So you have got this face, that face, and this one. You see this one, that face, and that face. Can you get the picture? Are you not far there? You can see me? Okay. Now, this hidden part that I can't see, it's dashed lines, ne? Not dots, ne? Dashes. Like that. So these dashed lines is this one and that edge. Is that clear? Now I need to get the right view. I don't need to start looking there. I need to be able to read from these two drawings. But because I'm using the 3D, I will show you to say this. But when you have these, you know, you just need to imagine it, the drawing in your mind, in your brain. So, I need to draw a 45 degrees line. Can you see? Look here, where this point here and this point, draw a line passing there. If you don't have that, you use just a 45 degrees. Leave the hair. So, that one, drop it down. 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 Okay? That's how it is. One side is big. Okay. So now, you need to start following your lines. So like these ones. You see these hidden lines? You follow this. Where they come here, they come that way. Can you see? Here you've got them coming. And here they are coming. Wow. Where they turn, they come down. Are we together?
Yes.
So you see to say, okay, this line turns here, it comes down. It meets here, it meets this one there. Then this one comes, it's coming down. It will meet here, and it meets this one there. Remember, my hand is what? Very free. So my drawing is very free. This one will be visible on the right-hand side. Now you can see it. Do you understand my boss there?
Yes, sir.
Okay? You are done with this one. Remember, we are drawing what? The right view.
Yes.
So, some things will be hidden. Yeah. We are going to see the whole face. This one. Oh, sorry. There's a line here. We'll see this face. All of it. Anything else is what? Hidden. Okay? Then we are looking from that side. So this step will be seen on the left-hand side. Remember, you are here. So you look, draw. If it is this one, you look, draw. Don't turn it the other way. You look, you take the way you see it, put it there. If it is this side, you look at it, don't turn it this way. You take this is the front. What you see, put it there. Can you picture it? Okay. So we looked, and when you are looking from this side, You are looking this from this side, and you draw. This one will be on the left-hand side, not right. So you come. We have got this line and that guy. They meet each other there. Okay? It comes to this line here. Then it goes there. But it's hidden. I'm just making it dark. I'll make it
I
hidden.
was going to correct you.
Oh, I see. So these are hidden lines, ne? You can't see them. So anything hidden, it means from your side is what? It means it's there, but you can't see. If you watch wrestling, you act like John Cena. Okay. So this is how you draw orthographic drawing. This is how you draw orthographic drawing. What is missing here is what? The symbol of projection. So now, remember we have already explained what is first angle projection, third angle projection. I'm only showing you in third angle projection how to extract the views. Now here I will just use it to explain how do you draw the what? The symbol. So I want to put the symbol here inside the E.
The symbol.
Yes. So how do I read the symbol? What you usually have is what? A conical. Okay? So this is a solid block. It's always sitting like that, not the other way. So your front view is always seen from the right side. This is front. The left view will be seen from left. We don't look for the right view in this regard. Okay? So when I'm drawing this in third angle projection, I'll draw first the big circle, small circle, then so the small circle is this one, big circle is that one. You want bigger size? Okay, like that. So I've drawn this and that on my left hand side according to third angle projection. Then when I'm looking from the right hand side, I'll project that, so that I get this line, that, and that, I'll get that line. Then I'll join. So this becomes the symbol of projection of what? Third angle projection. So this is third angle projection. I'll draw it here.
Yes, check your.
So without the symbol there, your drawing is what? Incomplete. They will deduct marks. Poor layout, you lose marks. Neatness, you lose marks. Line work, you lose marks. Then what do you remain with? Nothing.
So, Mara, energy on
What are you saying?
energy is
It's always there. So now, in this is third angle, ne? Third angle symbol. The measurements I'll give you. How do you draw to make it first angle projection? What do you swap?
Diagonal.
All you do is take the circles, that side, done.
Yes.
This one can never turn. Never turn the drawing, only
Oh,
move
take
the
this
views.
one to-
Yeah. So, this is the first angle projection. Okay? So you have got third angle projection and first angle projection. This is the boundary, this is the borderline of the page, borderline. I'm painting so that you can see. And remember, my hand is what?
Free.
Free.
Very well.
You, on your paper, don't do what? Don't paint. It's single line. Faint lines and one single line outlining. Okay, so this is how you draw the views. So you need to know how to reverse this to this. From 3D to 2D. From 2D to 3D. Once you win that game, there is no drawing under the earth that you fail to read. You can read all drawings in all fields. This is universal. But if you fail to read, to reverse this back to there, and this to there, then it means you are carrying the problem all the way to infinity. Any question? No, there's always a first time. Bit by bit, you get there, bit by bit. So now, the work that you need to do, I've drawn this in third angle projection. I want you to draw first angle projection according to South African standard.